Next up in our step progression is the anterior step down. Now for this one, I really suggest starting with a low-lying surface. So I'm using a 4-inch box. You can use a threshold at home or even a couple of stacked books to perform this, because this is quite a challenging exercise, requires a lot of quadriceps control, and too high of a step will require a lot of demand for that quadriceps, and it could be a little bit too much of a leap early on. So start low and then build as you progress. Now, one of the things I also suggest is utilizing some sort of handheld support to begin with, and then start to fade away as you get more control. So to perform this exercise, we're going to get right to the edge of the step. I'm going to be targeting my left leg. So I'm going to leave my left foot on the step, and I'm going to be stepping down with my right. So holding on just lightly. I'm going to be reaching for the floor with my heel. I'm bending my knee. I'm going to touch the surface, and then I'm going to stand right back up. Nice and slow and controlled on the descent. Make sure the knee stays in line with your second toe, so it shouldn't cave in, bow out. It should stay right in line. And you're going to feel some pressure in the front of the knee. That is normal as long as it's tolerable. But we're looking for nice, slow, controlled lowering. You're going to feel a nice burn here in this quadriceps muscle. This is a great exercise to start really building up strength and control of the quadriceps. And also, it's a very functional exercise for later stages of rehab, for those that really struggle with quad strength or have trouble going up and down the stairs. So as we get better at this, I want to fade away from my handheld assist here and try to do it without support. Now again, this is quite challenging, so you can go from handheld support to fingertips, and then eventually nothing. So take your time. This will take a couple weeks to really enhance your strength and control, but a great functional exercise to enhance your ability to go up and down those stairs.